In this tutorial, I will show you that how can find old servers in Grow A Garden Roblox in just few steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process to do. For the first step, after logging your account in your browser, you need to open new tab and simply search for Chrome extensions. Scroll it down and open its official website of Chrome Web Store. Here you can search for BT Roblox. Open it. Make sure you open this exactly same Chrome extension. Then click on Add to Chrome. For the next step, you need to pin it. Click on that puzzle icon from right top side and simply pin it from here. After pinning it, open Roblox again and simply refresh this page. After refreshing it, scroll it down and open a game, Grow A Garden. After opening it, scroll down to the last. Here you will get this other servers. Change this descending to ascending. After changing it, it will show you these older servers. So we are doing this because the less people that are in a server, then the higher chances are that this is an old server. So you want to join it whichever server you feel like is an old server. For example, click on that join button and it will open up Roblox game client. Here you can go through different servers until you find an old server. So that's how you can find old servers in Grow A Garden Roblox in just few steps.